Namaskaram all. The day we all have been waiting for is finally here. The results of the Tarankam 2021 competition. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for participating in this venture and making this a wonderful event. My sincere gratitude to all the judges for their valuable remarks and opinions. And last but not the least, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of my students who wholeheartedly supported me throughout this journey. We have organized the virtual competition in 4 different classical dance forms: Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi and Kathak. Unfortunately, there were less number of participants in Kuchipudi, Kathak and in group categories. So instead of cancelling these events, we are giving honorary and consolation prizes to all the participants in these groups. We highly appreciate and respect the efforts taken by you all, and so we don't want to go into detail. I would like to congratulate all the winners and participants of this event. Each and every one of your performances were wonderful. Keep on practicing, work hard, and never miss an opportunity to showcase your talent. Moving on to the results of Bharatanatyam Sub-Junior category. The third prize goes to Vasudev V.
Tum tat ding ding nat tum kidaka kari tum tat ding ding nat tum kidaka kari tum tat ding ding nat tum.
Second prize Ananya Adarsh.
அசுரரை வென்று வந்தவளே அசுரரை வென்று வந்தவளே.
And the winner of the sub-junior category Bharatanatyam Tarankam competition 2021 is Tanmayi C.
चंद्रमौली अमलावरगुमा पार्वती काली हैमवती शिवाजी नयनी.
There are 2 consolation prizes also for sub-junior category Bharatanatyam. The 2 consolation prizes goes to Shuki Rao and Shri Bala. Congratulations to all the winners. Prizes for junior category Bharatanatyam. The third prize goes to Sahana Sukumar. Second prize Kauseka. Of the junior category Tarankam 2021 is Parvati P. There is one consolation prize and the prize goes to Apsara S. Congratulations to all the winners. Results for senior category Bharatanatyam. The third prize goes to Sapna Atawar. Nishchita Kothari,
గుదక్క దిక్కు తళంగు తక దిక్కు తక తరికిట తక తా దిత్త తకు తరికిట జం దిత్త దిక్కు తరికిట జం తా కుకు తరికిట తా ధింగిణ తా దిత్త తకు తరికిట జం దిత్త.
Results for senior category Bharatanatyam. The third prize goes to Sapna Atawar. Second prize Nishchita Kothari. And the winner of the senior category Tarakam competition 2021 is Shyam Krishnan. Congratulations to all.
పగసని దని గసని ద గచ్చ నిద పద చగ పద నిసా